Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So today in this video we'll see how to generate the surrogate key in Spark dataframe. So it's basically surrogate key means the unique key for each and every data row. Okay, so how it will be generated for our Spark related activities. We need some unique keys. Okay, so that thing how we'll generate, that we'll see in this video. Okay, there are multiple methods I will show you. Okay, and for which time you need to use the which methods, that also I will explain. Okay, so based on the data volume, we need to use the methods. Okay, so that thing we'll discuss in this video. Okay, please don't skip this video. We'll discuss it. Okay, so basically I have already imported one data frame here. Okay, so how to import this CSV file, that I have already shown in my earlier video. This PySpark videos I have already shown. If you have not seen it, please go and watch it. These are the prerequisite, and I'm continuously uploading the real-time scenarios video in my real-time scenario PySpark real-time scenario playlist in my channel. Okay, please go and watch it. These all are prerequisite video of this. Okay, so coming to our this today's topic. Okay, so I have already imported one data frame where there are multiple race IDs are there. Okay, so here the data frame is basically the race ID. Okay, the race it is basically the one uh, based on the race ID. Okay, so the Formula One race ID. Okay, this data frame. Okay, so I got it from online. Okay, so I'll show as example. I'm taking this data set. Okay, so it's a CSV file. How to upload that in DBFS and how to show it in the data frame, load it in the data frame, that I have already shown. But still, I'm telling the little bit here. ओके, तो CSV फाइल में हम लोग इसको इंपोर्ट करते हैं, पर मेटा डेटा लेवल पे थोड़ा डेटा वैलिडेशन कर लेंगे. तो ओके, तो यहाँ पे if we have any null value, for that we will use one option here where I will specify that the null value will be, if we have null, then it will be considered as a null value. Okay, for that case I will use here null value v. Okay, null value will be my null. Okay, and if we have this null value, we can drop it using the dropna method. How to use the dropna method, that also I have explained in my playlist, that how to handle the null value. Okay, so here I will mention that all. Okay, all null value I need to drop. Okay, so after that if we have any kind of duplicate, so that also we can we can remove. Okay, based on the unique key IDs. So duplicate, so here race ID is my unique ID. So here I can take it, race ID. Okay, so I have taken it. So how to remove the duplicate value, that also I have one separate video in my channel. You can go and watch it. So now I am running. So here we have the first level cleaning data. Okay, so where I have removed the null values and the drop duplicate values using this drop duplicate and dropna method. Okay, this is the first level cleaning data. Okay, so now what I need to do, I need to generate the unique key, unique sequence ID. Okay, so the unique sequence ID, suppose we are daily will upload few files here. So in that case, we need some sequence id for maintaining the rows unique the rows unique value. ओके रोज जो रो हम लोग क्रिएट होगा डेली फाइल अपलोड करने से, डेली एक एक बैच फाइल अपलोड करने से, तो उसके लिए एक यूनिक वैल्यू चाहिए. सो in that case what we need to do, we need to use some sequence generator. Okay, sequence id generator. So PySpark provide one function here, so that I'm telling. So PySpark provide a function is, it is monotonically increasing id. Okay, so first I'll import this function PySpark dot sql dot function. Okay, I'm writing this function and after that I'm coming. Okay, so I have written the code here. So monotonically increasing id, ये basically sequence id generate करता है, तो based on the column. So यहाँ पे मैंने डेटा जो ये डेटा फ्रेम है, ये सेम डेटा फ्रेम को यहाँ पे एक पार्क एक्टिविटीज परफॉर्म किया. So using with column we are creating one new column which is name is id. Okay, id में monotonically increasing id basis ये एक sequence id generate करेगा. Okay, so if I'll run it, now if I'll see, you can see there is a sequence id generated from 0. If you want to start it from 1, then just do plus 1 here. Okay, so it will give you the id, the sequence id from the number 1. Okay, you can see it is giving the number 1 the unique key. Okay, so the same thing this for the limited data we can use. Okay, but when we have a huge amount of data for big data cases, okay, we have 1 million records, 2 million records, so that time what we need to do? So there is another method. Okay, I'm telling you. Okay, so before that we, for the limited data also we can use another path using the window function. Okay, so uh, importing window function also we can create we can generate the IDs. Okay, sequence ID. Okay, that I'm showing you. So PySpark import first will you import the row number. Okay, row number, how the row number is used, that I have already told in my earlier video also. Okay, and lit function, what why we need that also I have explained here, or in my earlier videos also I have explained it. Please go and watch. Here I can't explain because video will be longer. Okay, for saving the video time I am not explaining all the things. Okay, if you want the explanation, please go and watch the playlist. It is also I have given in the video description. Okay, so I need to import the window function here, import window. Okay, so window function. Okay, so here I have imported window. Okay, so now I will write the code. तो here we have used the window functions को use करके भी हम लोग ये sequence ID generate कर सकते हैं. So you can see we have used window function and we use the row number method. Okay, so basically क्या कर रहा है, ये टोटल जो हम लोग का डेटा फ्रेम है उसके ऊपर एक विंडो क्रिएट कर रहा है, उसके बेसिस पे एक अलग कॉलम ऐड करके रो नंबर बोल के वहाँ पे सीक्वेंस आईडी रो नंबर एज पर रो ये एक सीक्वेंस आईडी जनरेट कर रहा है. यू कैन सी रो नंबर कॉलम, here we have the sequence id. Okay, so these all are for the we can use for the limited amount of data. Okay, if we have 1 million 2 million record, that time what we used to do, in when we will store the store 1 million 2 million record in our data warehouse or something else. Okay, so that time what we'll do, will so that will see there are multiple function where we can create the hash keys. Okay, so that we'll see. So how we can create the unique hash keys, that we'll see here. Okay, using the hash key function. Okay, so there are multiple functions are there using which we can create unique hash keys based on the unique columns. So here it is a unique column is race id. So we'll see how to create it. Okay, so we have one function here, crc32, from we that we need to input first. PySpark.sql dot functions import crc32. Okay, using that we can create 32-bit hash key. Okay, not 32, we can create yeah, the yes, unique random key. We'll use the hash keys function are different. Okay, we can create the random keys. Then that will not be in sequence, but that will be random keys. Okay, so how we can generate ef. Well, write the code and coming to it, coming back. तो हियर हम लोग क्या किया, ये सी आर सी 32 फंक्शन जो है इसको यूज करके यहाँ पे रैंडम आईडी जनरेट किया. यू कैन सी आर सी 32 यूजिंग विथ कॉलम. कॉलम का नाम दिया सी आर सी 32 and as it is taking only the string value, so we need to cast it in string values. Okay, in race id को, because race id is a unique column. So race id के basis पे हम लोगों को ये create करना है. We need to create the crc32 column. Okay, crc32 value, the random value. तो पहले तो इसको स्ट्रिंग में कन्वर्ट किया, उसके बाद CSC32 के आर्गुमेंट में इसको पास करवा दिया. ठीक है, so that is the thing. So we have another method using which, so this is for 1 million 2 million record, it is okay. When we have 10 millions 20 millions record, okay, so or 100 millions record, so that time we what we use, not 100 million. 100 million we need to use another method, but when we have 10 million record, 20 million records, or 100k data to 200k data, so that time which function we can use, so that we will see. Okay, so that time we can use one another PySpark provided function, which is md5. Okay, so md5 basically what it is doing. md5 basically it used to create the 32-bit hash keys. Okay, based on the unique column. Okay, so PySpark dot sql dot uh, function. Okay, functions. First I will import the md5. Okay, so after that we can use the same code. Okay, just we need to replace the crc2 to md5. Okay, we'll give the column name as md5, and md5 also used to take the argument value as a string value. Okay, that and that for that reason we need to typecast it, so we don't need to change it. Okay, based on race id it will be generated. Okay, so everything is fine. Okay, so if I'll trigger it here, now it came here. Now you can see it's a 32-bit unique hash keys it is generating. Okay, based on the race id. Okay, as we have the unique column race id. Okay, for the operation purpose, another other PySpark related operations and other any kind of operation, we can use this column, this hash key column, because these are the unique 32 bits value. For 100k or 100k 200k records, we can use this MD5. Okay. uh, but when we have more than 100k data or 200k data, okay, that time it will not be efficient MD5, because that time it can give the duplicate values. Okay. So that time what we need to do, that time we have another method, sha2 or sha1. So I'll show you the sha2 wala. Okay. So sha2, uh, there, first I will import it. Okay. From PySpark .sql.function import sha, import sha1 and sha2. I'll show you with sha2. Okay. sha2. So here also we can use the same code here. Okay. Same code here, sha2. Okay. So sha2 sha2 value. Okay, any name you can give. Okay. It also take the string value in its argument. Okay. So here one thing we can do, we can mention the bits here. Okay. So if I need to, if I want to take the 256 bits data, so we can mention here. Okay. So now if I'll see here, sh2 value column. So here we can see the 256 bits data. Okay. So when it is 100 millions data, 50 millions data, or okay, that huge amount data, we can use it. Okay. So we can also make it to 512 bits. Okay. Changing the argument value here. तो जब बहुत सारा डेटा होता है, मिलियंस ऑफ मिलियंस डेटा होता है, तब ये सब यूज होता है. ठीक है. तो यूनिक की जनरेट करने के लिए all are the unique. Okay. So I think you have understood how to generate the unique sequence ID. Okay. For based on the volume of the uh, data. Okay. So if you have any kinds of doubt, you can ping me. You can ping me in my LinkedIn. Okay. So I have already pinged my LinkedIn account in this video description. Okay. If you have any kinds of doubt, you also can comment on the video section. I will try to reply back to in your comment. Also, you can follow us in our Telegram channel, CognitiveCoders. There every day I'm posting the quiz here. You can participate on that. Okay. Okay. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, this Cognitive Coders. Okay. So you guys help is really much required to grow these channels. Okay. And because this channel we are posting all the data engineering related important stuff. Okay. So using which going through this, you can build your career path. Okay. Towards the data engineering. Okay. If you are a learner, if you are you just beginner, you can go through this video. You will learn a lot of things. Okay. A lot of starting things in data engineering. Okay. So these all are free, you don't need to pay anything. Please support us and watch all the videos, share with your friends, with your colleagues, so that they will get the benefit of these videos. Okay. So these all are for you guys. Okay. please support us. We are making all the things for you all guys. Whoever is whoever is our subscriber, or you guys are non-subscriber, please subscribe us for supporting us. Okay, so thank you for watching this videos. Okay, so bye.